Welcome to our Conscious Tipping Point, Part 5. This is the model that is explaining the awakening and evolution of our society. Now, right now, we're about to activate the third eye of society. Now, where we are is in this excess of the throat chakra. By the way, that's video 2. And the heart chakra is also wide open, but we haven't yet activated that third eye, which is where we get wise, where we get wisdom and discernment. So what this means is we've got a lot of people talking about how they're feeling, but they're talking quite a lot of nonsense. And this is where we get the idea of conspiracy theories. There's a lot of sharing, talking about our feelings without necessarily considering whether it's true or not, or even if it's useful. And that's where we need that third eye, because that's when we get the discernment. So if we take a look at the structure of a conspiracy theory. Now, first of all, I know that phrase is a little bit charged, and there is a difference between a conspiracy and a conspiracy theory. So the basic structure of a conspiracy theory is it looks something like this. Usually it involves the idea of an elite group of individuals. They've got all the power and they're deliberately, intentionally repressing everyone else. Now, don't get me wrong, there is definitely inequality. There is definitely imbalance, whether it's wealth or power. There are absolutely marginalized and repressed groups. But is it all part of a grand conspiracy? Is it planned and is it intentional? You see, there are powerful people. They may not necessarily be organizing themselves to intentionally target you or me to keep us powerless. They may not necessarily be lying to you left, right, and center. So let's ask ourselves, is Big Pharma actually out to keep us sick? Or are they just working within the system, which is all about the stock market, which says you have to make a profit? Is climate change real, or is it just a hoax that's out to steal our freedom? Are we living on a flat earth and NASA has been lying to us for, I don't know why. I've never understood why NASA would lie to us about that. What about 5G and Wi-Fi? Are they actually causing us to become sick or controlling our minds? Now, I know that phrase conspiracy theories is quite charged, and there are definitely conspiracies. And sometimes I think that's, as the third eye opens, we start to see the systems that are not working actually breaking down. But the definition of a conspiracy theory is that people will believe it in the face of irrefutable evidence. So is it a conspiracy that's coming to light and there is evidence? Or is it a conspiracy theory and maybe what we're experiencing and seeing is the chaos of dysfunctional systems being exposed for what they truly are? So what do you think? I would love to hear from you. Are they real, or are we just dealing with the excess of the throat chakra as we reach our conscious tipping point?